So you might be in this weird situation where for some reason your Android phone is not showing you the right date and the right time. So this is a very interesting thing because you can sometimes run into some issues here and there. But if your phone is not showing you the right date or the time, what I'd recommend doing is hopping inside of your settings application right here. So hop right into settings. And then what I'd recommend doing right after is jumping down until you see a little option that says something like wherever your date and time settings are. So I'd probably recommend clicking on the search bar right up there and typing in date or typing in time, something along those lines, so you can see your date and time settings. And this is going to be different per Android phone, so I'd recommend doing it this way so you can jump straight to wherever you need to go. So then you can find the date and time setting. What you want to do next is you basically just want to pop up the phone. And then what I'd recommend doing is turning on this automatic date and time option. This might have just randomly been clicked off for you. So what I'd recommend doing is just enabling this, because that is probably one of the easiest ways to go and fix this particular problem. So go through, turn this particular option on, and that might end up fixing it for you. Now, if that doesn't end up working, what you can also try doing is to try updating your Android phone. Sometimes it can be as simple issue as just updating your Android phone in order to fix it. So what you can do is jump right back into your settings. You want to jump back into your main page, which is right here. Then go ahead and basically scroll over until you find your software update panel. So tap on software update right here. You want to click on download and install, and you want to download and install the latest update available for your Android phone. So that's probably what I'd recommend doing here, and that's another way of basically fixing this problem. So those are kind of the main ways to go into it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.